How to install the HP DesignJet Z9 Plus Pro Gloss Enhancer Kit. The Gloss Enhancer Kit has been designed to be used with an HP DesignJet Z9 Pro 64-inch printer. The Gloss Enhancer Upgrade Kit contains a USB dongle, setup print head. The print head and Gloss Enhancer cartridge are required for installation, but are not included in the box. Note, the print head and Gloss Enhancer are sold separately. If you perform this upgrade when you initialize the printer, you will only need to use the USB dongle and the Gloss Enhancer cartridge. You can discard the setup print head and keep the print head in a safe place to use in the future. This is a universal print head that can be used with any color of ink. Ensure that the gray HP Eco Carton ink cartridge is not empty, because up to 15 milliliters of gray ink will be used during this upgrade. Upgrade the HP DesignJet Z9 Plus Pro 64 in printer. Make sure that the printer is turned on and idle. Insert the USB dongle in the USB port at the back of the printer. The port is marked with the USB symbol. The front panel will display a message. The USB drive will upgrade the printer to support gloss enhancing ink. This action is not reversible. Tap Install to continue or select Cancel to stop the installation. Wait for the printer to finish the upgrade, and then restart the printer. When prompted by a message on the front panel, remove the cartridge slot protector from the upper right-hand cartridge slot, marked with an E. Insert the HP Eco Carton Ink Gloss Enhancer cartridge into the printer. When prompted by a message on the front panel, open the printer's window, then open the print head cover. If you are unsure about opening the print head cover, see the ink system chapter in your printer's user guide. Remove and discard the print head indicated by the message on the front panel. Insert the setup purger provided in the kit into the empty slot. Close the print head carriage cover and the printer window, and then follow the instructions on the front panel. When the ink system is ready, the front panel will prompt you to open the window and the print head cover. Confirm that the setup purger contains ink. Remove the setup purger. Insert the universal print head. Verify that the print head is tinted. If not, restart ink initialization. Close the print head cover and the printer window. The printer will calibrate and align the print heads. Calibration will take approximately 12 minutes to complete. Once calibration is completed, a printer calibration plot will be printed to complete the process. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.